Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power the device off and lay it flat to stop movement and reduce static. Once done, use a blower to remove loose dust, then wipe gently with a clean microfiber in straight strokes. Make sure to lift the edge of the protector only if you see debris. Don't peel fully yet. If the protector is new, inspect for adhesive treatment or wet apply instructions. If it's old, soften edges slightly by warming with breath or a warm cloth before the next step. You now lift a single corner with tape and create just enough gap to access trapped particles. Once open, use another piece of tape or a dust sticker to pick up specks. Press gently so you don't crease the film. Make sure to avoid touching adhesive with fingers. When clear, align the protector and lower it slowly from one side. Use a soft card wrapped in microfiber to press and push air out in one smooth motion toward the nearest edge. You finish by pressing edges firmly with the microfiber wrapped card and leave the device flat to allow adhesive to set for 12 to 24 hours. This reduces residual halos. If a halo persists, carefully lift the protector, clean the adhesive side with 70% plus isopropyl on a lint-free wipe, and reapply. This often removes oils causing halos. If that fails, replace the protector with a high-quality anti-glare or OEM film. Quick trouble.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.